Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where if you Alt-Tab out of games, you get a black screen, or you get a delay and then a black screen. The first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar in the bottom and type settings and then click on settings. With this open, navigate over to the left and click system and then click display, which should be at the top. So there are a couple of things we need to do here. First of all, if we scroll down slightly to scale and layout, you'll see scale here and display resolution here. What we need to do is click on the drop down here and ensure that your scale is at recommended. So for me, it's 100%, but if you have a different PC configuration or you have a small laptop, this might be 125 or even 150%. So just click whatever is recommended. And the same again for resolution. So for most of us, I'd assume that it's 1920 by 1080, but if it is something different, make sure that you're clicking the recommended setting here. And of course, if you have more than one display, ensure that you're doing this for the correct display, but also do it for both displays if you still have this issue. Once you've done that, head on down further to related settings and then click advanced display. What we want to do here is, same again, is choose a refresh rate. So click this drop down and select the highest refresh rate that you possibly can. So for me, I've already got the highest one, which is 280 Hertz. Another thing to bear in mind is if you have a dual monitor setup, like I do here, you'll need to go ahead and check on the other monitor and do the same thing. So advanced display, and then ensure that the refresh rate for your second monitor is also at the very top. Finally, once you've done all of these things, the last thing that I suggest you do is within your game, either match the refresh rate to your main monitor. So if I was playing a game, I would set it to 280 Hertz, or you disable any type of frame rate cap. So you uncap your frame rate. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.